In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a single page application or SPA without creating any API. Usually, when someone requires a single page application, then front-end framework like React, Angular or Vue has to be installed separately than the backend framework. With Inertia.js, developer can get easily in building application while managing front-end and backend in same code base. Inertia.js is routing library written in JavaScript, works as a glue between front-end and backend. Let's take a look at how to install it. So first of all, going to write some commands to install a React Laravel application. This is creating our Laravel application, and it is installing Composer. After this has been set up, we will be going into the our project example. Here, first of all, need to require the uh, uh, Composer package for Inertia.js. This is a component which enables the Laravel inertia. After that is done, we are going to install the breeze. Next command is to install the Laravel breeze with React. Next, going to install npm packages. Okay, here npm install has been completed. Now going to run npm run dev. Okay, so after all these installations has been completed, now we can run php artisan migrate to set up our database, but first of all have to create our database, and for that env files has to be changed. So going to load project in my php storm and have to do the going to give this name here. Database migration has been completed. Now going to start our artisan server. Okay, so the local host has started over here. I can load a project at 8000 port. So this application is running over here, and if you notice, I'm going to log in or register. Then page refresh is not happening, and this is without page refreshes. Let me go back again and click on register without page refreshes. It is a single page application. To better demonstrate that, let me pull the uh, Google debug bar. As you can see, I click on login. There is an AJAX request happening and the page is loading. If I go to forget password, this is an AJAX request, and similarly if I enter all are the AJAX based requests, so no page refreshes are happening over here. To better understand what kind of request is happening, so this is a get request which is going to the login route, and in the response we can see that it is loading an auth/login component and some props has been passed over there. And similarly, when a post request is being made, then this is a this is coming back as an error, and the it is giving the error messages over here. So this is making our application from a normal page loading to an AJAX based application. Now let's take a look at the code level, that how things are working over here. Let's go first to the route section and open the web.php. Here you can see that the home route is loading, then it is running and doing an inertia render, and this is going to a welcome. Now this welcome is not the your usual view page, which is this welcome.play.php. This view is over here, but it is not being reflected, and the reason is that if we try to, for example, change the title over here, then this changes will not be reflected. Let me demonstrate that. Here it is showing welcome, but here title is Laravel. Here it is showing home or login. Then these items are not showing up loading from the view file. Rather it is loading from our JS file, which is inside pages and welcome. This welcome.js is being loaded. If you are familiar with React, then this is a React component which has the title welcome, and if I make any change over here, then these changes will not be immediately reflected until I have to run the another npm run dev command, which is compiling my assets. So here the changes which is in the JS file is reflecting over here. At any time, if I am navigating to a route, or for example the login route, then from here I can show you auth.php, and there is a login route which is a get request, and it goes to the authenticated session controller, and that is overridden over here. All of our actions are no longer rendering the conventional blade template, rather they are using the inertia render and giving the component name, and the component is in the JS file, and it is passing the various attributes in it. These attributes just like can reset password. Similarly, in the web.js, can login and can register, these are passed as props, and they are accessible as a props value. For example, if I see Laravel version, then this Laravel version is props.laravel version. So you instead of rendering the blade templates, you start loading the React components, and those React components are being passed the props from the controllers, and those props are accessible into the components, and they work on it. Hope this video helps, and it will be very much useful for you. Thank you so much.